Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. I'm Leo. I'm here today with Karen.
Hello.
And we are here to introduce a brand new die and stamp set launch for you. This is the Bulbs and Bolts collection. So we have a new launch for you that is a bit out of the blue. Certainly for us.
It's different for us as well. It's something completely different.
So this is Bulbs and Bolts, which we worked on, maybe 18 months to 2 years ago.
Possibly.
And has not yet been released. So we thought we'd release it this month for you.
How nice.
Let's show you what we have.
Oh, there we go.
So it is a die and stamp set this time.
So this is your die. A nice little compact 6x6 die set with all of these elements. Now, I adore these. I haven't made a card with them. Leo's done the packaging for these. She did them all. But you can see you've got a couple of bulbs. You've got a couple of bolts, as the name would suggest. But you've also got some tools in here as well. So perfect for Father's Day cards, for the man in your life, for the lady in your life who does all of the DIY. To be fair, I do the flat pack. The flat pack is my job because my husband likes to build it on his lap. I don't understand how he does, and then it's all, and then he's well, this is rubbish. Well, no, don't build it on your lap.
Yeah, build it on a level surface.
That would be nice.
Yeah,
that would be nice.
Does help.
So, but you've got things like these little sort of flashes, I would like to say.
Like your booms and your kapows.
Yes, exactly like your booms and your kapows. But you've got some little strips and some wavy lines, so you could hang your bulb from either that or that one. You've got a little chain with a switchy, your little light pull that would just come off your bulb there. There's a plug. There's some little screws there as well. I love it. I think it's got so many different little bits that are going to be very useful for those type of cards. So if you have a little look at the packaging, you can see Leo's lovely cards here on the pack there, and the other one is on the back, and all the icons are just there for you to see them one by one. Turn that one over, and then you've got your stamps. Sorry I'm not too bright. I forgot your birthday. That's
Love
me.
That.
Not the brightest bulb in the box. Me again. Sorry I screwed up. Like it. You brighten my day, lighten up. You've got some little marks here that I like to think of as
light beams.
The light, you put them in inside your bulb, and it's just the lighty bits.
Yep.
Love it. What? I love you no matter
What?
I'm nuts about you. Oh, so what are these ones? Oh, it's another little light
bulb, shiny lighty thing.
You light up my world. And what? Another birthday. Amazing.
And a little lightning bolt as well.
And the lightning bolt.
So a different kind of bolt.
Yes. So don't work on these if the power's still on.
Yes.
Kind of bolt.
Absolutely. One of those.
But this is a little 6x4 stamp set, little A6 stamp set, and then you've got your little 6x6 die set there.
I love them. I had so much fun making the cards for packaging for this. It's very light-hearted, very witty and punny, obviously.
Yeah. Shall we show yours first?
Go on then.
From the packaging. So here we go. What? Another birthday. But you can see there where Leo has layered those bulbs. You've actually used the plug as well for the
to make
fit-in.
Yeah, exactly.
For the light fit-in. I like that.
I did? I even stamped inside this card.
Oh, shall we show that as well then?
Because I actually did that.
Okay. Oh. So there you go. And in two colours, if you don't mind.
And in two colours, I know,
Not the brightest bulb in the box. Sorry, I'm not too bright. Forgot your birthday. Love it. Love it, Leo. Thank you very much. Possibly my favourite. The little shaky. So
it doesn't shake so well anymore. It
No.
has sat in our room, like I say,
Yeah,
for probably
it
about
has.
2 years at this point.
it has. So it's doing well to still be
In one piece.
Yeah, I think so. So I'm not so about you, and she's got all the tools on there that she's aged. And you've got the screwdriver. I like that you've... Oh, no, it's this side, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I like that you've cut the handle in a different colour as well. You've got all of those aged nuts and bolts and screws. Fabulous. Perfect for a Father's Day card,
Mm-hmm.
a birthday card, anything. You know, that's what I like about these type of sentiments. They're not themed to an occasion. They're a general sentiment.
General sentiment, indeed. And this is the card I'm going to recreate on the Weekender tomorrow.
Fabulous.
So if you're seeing this after the fact, if you look on our YouTube channel for the Weekender that was broadcast on the 17th of May, I'll show you how to recreate that card.
And then this one, I don't know if... See, this one might be my favourite. I love the fact that they're on strings. So you've got... Leo's cut a huge aperture in the front of this card. So she's got a 3-fold.
Mm-hmm.
There. So we've got some stamping on the inside. You've got the 3-fold there. And you've got... Look at these fabulous layered bulbs. They're amazing, and all the little stars
and
the
filament bulbs as well.
Yes.
I think they're so cool. I mean,
It
they're
is
very
amazing.
in at the moment, aren't they? Filament
They are.
bulbs.
They are.
The old looking, but works with modern electricity.
That's the ones.
Yeah.
They're fabulous, but I love this card as well. It doesn't show very well. This is the problem. When you're trying to show it, it's
not obvious what it does.
No, but you've double-sided the bulbs as well, so that when they spin on their little fishing line, which is what they're on here, they just look like they're suspended. Love them. Love them. Thank you very much for that, Leo.
We do have a couple of cards from our design team as well. So we do have an anonymous crafter in our midst who hasn't named their creation. So if these are your cards, please do let us know. I absolutely love this. It's actually quite a tall card and it's slightly too tall for the camera, but you're not seeing anything, or you're not missing, I should say, anything off the top of there. It's like... you know those things that you put on the wall that you have all the little drawers that you have all the screws
yes.
in? That's what it reminds me of.
It's like a pegboard.
Yes.
And you've got things stuck into the pegboard.
Exactly.
Love it.
And I am going to guess that all of this has been done with our dot markers.
Oh, so clever.
So the thick end, the thin end.
Mm-hmm.
I absolutely love this. I'm nuts about you.
And like
Very,
three
very cool.
little
drawers
layers
or
of
tubs. Yeah, very, very clever. So yeah, if this is your card, please claim it below. Let us know.
Yeah.
I've got another one here. This is from Chablis. Look at this.
Oh, made them into little critters.
To a special father, you light up my world.
That's fab.
And it does look like they're in space.
Yes, it does.
I don't know, like the whole father and spacing is just giving me Star Wars vibes. There's absolutely nothing on here that says Star Wars
Luke,
at
I am
all.
your father.
Exactly. But I think adding googly eyes to anything just makes them awesome. And we all need bulbs with googly eyes on, I think.
I think so.
Yeah, I'd have those in my house.
Definitely father and child there.
Yes.
Big bulb, little bulb.
Cardboard box.
That's the one. Cardboard fish.
Okay, hold on. I've got another anonymous crafter card down here.
Oh, now this one is much more subtle.
It is. So just some lovely ink blending in the background.
Beautiful.
And then die cut those bulbs just in white to go over the top. Very, very pretty. And then just a lovely sentiment, you brighten my day.
That is lovely.
And I think this would be a nice card to just send as a note to someone. It doesn't have to be all punny and silly. You can make it like a nice card as well.
I do love a pen though.
We do. This is also, I think, from our anonymous crafter, this lovely little stepper card. Like a little toolbox, absolutely loaded with tools and nuts and bolts and screws and all of those things.
The base of this was one of our very old stepper cards as well.
Ah, okay.
So it was a card creator that whoever has made this has had for quite some time, I think.
Love it. Very, very cool.
Yes.
And then this last one I think is quite clever.
Very, very clever.
So it took me a while to see this, and it was only the 2 screwdrivers in the middle that made me see what this is doing.
Uh-huh.
But it spells out Dad.
So clever.
Dad, I'm nuts about you. So for Father's Day, absolutely perfect.
And this one's from Shabney's.
It is. Well
Really
done,
good idea,
Shabney's.
Shabney's.
Very, very clever.
Love
I really
it.
like that. So some lovely ideas of
Mhm.
using this set. Have you got any ideas already? Is it sparking something for you? Do let us know in the comments below. And if you're going to pick up this set and you're going to make something lovely with it, make sure you tag us in your makes. We would love to see what kind of inspires you, where your imagination takes you. And don't forget, as you are sharing your projects, we all love seeing them, but you're also inspiring us and the rest of the Tonic Crafty community.
Definitely.
So yeah, please do. You can share those over on our Tonic Studios official Facebook group on Facebook, or we are across social media at Tonic Studios, and you can use the hashtag #ShowTonic to show us what you have been making. That is such a mouthful.
It is. And that's why I leave it to you.
This set is available now on our website. Go and grab one for yourself. Don't forget, if you are a Tonic Craft Kit subscriber, that means that you can have 10% off with your TCK discount as well. I mean, you know, not only do you get the kit, you get money off everything else. It is an absolute bargain.
It is. It really, really is. And I mean, this is a brand new release, and to be able to get money off that, it's just a no-brainer.
It is. If you have gone a bit wild in the aisles and added lots of things to your basket, don't forget you can also pay in instalments using ShopPay, ClearPay or PayPal at checkout. Pick whichever one works best for you. What else do we need to say? Anything else? Of course, if you have enjoyed this video and you're excited for this launch, give us a little thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel. Hit that notification bell.
Ding!
So you'll be notified every time we post a new video and when we go live, so that you don't miss out. Thank you very much for joining us, and we'll see you all again very soon.
Happy crafting!